Hi everyone, it's Kembler. Today I'm taking a calm moment around my dining table, giving the space a gentle refresh and bringing back a clean, balanced feeling. The dining table is where so many everyday moments come together. When it feels fresh and cared for, the whole room starts to feel warmer and more inviting. The atmosphere slows down, the space feels lighter, and everything becomes more comfortable and settled. I really enjoy these slow cleaning routines where nothing is rushed, just a soft rhythm, quiet focus, and a sense of care for the home. Even simple moments like this can shift the mood and make the space feel more organized and calm. These routines remind me that small resets matter. A clean surface, a calm pause, and a bit of attention can gently change the feeling of the entire room. Thank you for sharing this peaceful moment with me. See you in the next video.